As you finish up your government course, there are some offline materials that you need to take care of. They are listed at the end of the government course after Unit 17. It says Arizona Constitution chapters. So these chapters are from the Arizona Constitution book. What you will need to do is read through each one of these chapters. There are a total of 11 chapters that you will read through. At the end of each chapter, there are a set of questions. You're going to skip those questions. You do not need to do these review questions, okay? So as you get down to the bottom of the 11 chapters, let's see if I can scroll here through. Okay, there are these handouts right here. You don't need to do those as well. You can look up the information if you want to, but it's not required for the course, okay? So then the next thing you'll do is jump to the Arizona Constitution Review Packet. This packet has 3 pages in which you will answer these questions. If you cannot print this handout, what you need to do is write your answers on a piece of paper and take a picture of that piece of paper and email that picture to Mr. Clements. Another option is to type your answers from this handout into Google Docs and share that handout with Mr. Clements via Google Docs, via email. Okay, so 3 pages of that. Then you will get to crossword puzzles. There are crossword puzzles for most of the chapters, but not all of the chapters. So again, if you cannot print this handout, what you need to do is write on a piece of paper or type in Google Docs, Chapter 5, crossword puzzle. Number 1 across, write your answer. Number 4 across, write your answer, and so forth. So you will do this with each one of these crossword reviews, okay? So you'll get through here, and then when you get to county map, you don't need to do anything with this. That's the end of this handout. Again, this material right here is review, and this also is review. There's nothing to do with that. Once you are done with that information, you need to send that in to Mr. Clements, and that wraps up your Arizona Constitution materials. There is the Star Spangled Banner lyrics and story. You should get an email from Mr. Clements explaining what you will need to do with the Star Spangled Banner. So make sure you pay attention to that because that's an additional assignment. There is an online government review that covers key ideas and concepts that you should review, or make sure you have this information in your notes before you take the final. And that should wrap up your Arizona Constitution and your government course.